this might be super extra, but I'm going to Trader Joe's in this big coat because I just got it and it's so warm. It feels like a nice robe. Plus, winter is gonna be over soon, so I won't be able to wear this like anytime after probably this month. I need to buy flowers because mine are completely dead. I also want to make a dessert today, so I need to pick up some ingredients as well. I'm gonna look so extra in this freaking coat, but it's already getting too hot to wear this. Just going to get coffee. I was sweating, but it's so cute, so we're committing. Look at these flowers. I'm back home. I only got like 2 things from Trader Joe's, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. All my flowers. They look so good. The colors are so pretty. I'm gonna put these away in my vase after I make my little dessert. And then I got organic coconut sugar because the dessert I'm gonna make asks for coconut sugar. I can just use regular sugar, but I wanna try this out. I wanna see how I like it. My dad asked for me to get him oranges, so yeah, that's it. That's it for the Trader Joe's haul. Oh my gosh. The dessert I wanted to make is a banana cookie skillet. And I forgot bananas. Forgot the main part of the recipe. So I'm gonna try to find another good, easy recipe I can do. My mom made my little cousins some like Nutella sandwiches the other day. They don't like the crust, so we just have like a bunch of crust. So yeah, I'm gonna make bread pudding. I'm just cutting the bread up into smaller pieces and then putting them in the tray. Tastes good or not. I hope it does. I've never made this before. I should definitely wait for this to cool, but I'm too impatient. Let's add some ice cream to this. I'm glad it came out looking like everyone else's, like kind of like jello-y. Literally like French toast, but I don't know, tastes better. That was really good. I just took a shower right now. My bedding is in the washing machine. I'm waiting for that to be done so I can go to bed. I'm just doing my skincare right now. I have to moisturize my face at nighttime with like a super nice Velvet Moisturizer. I've been using this moisturizer lately at nighttime. It's from the Inky List. I love how I wake up with plump skin when I use this. It's made with bioactive ceramides, so it helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. So those ceramides really go deep into your skin. I honestly do not mind aging. I'm not afraid to age, but I don't want my skin to age faster than me. This is like the perfect moisturizer for nighttime. It can be used for morning and night, but I've just been using it at nighttime. It feels so good on my skin because some moisturizers, I can just feel them like layering on top of my skin. I always tend to forget the neck area. Whatever I put on my face, I try to just put on my neck and my chest. I think prioritizing like your skin and your health within your 20s can do so much for you later on. So yeah, it's good to start wrinkle prevention in your 20s. Aging is really not a big deal, but when I'm 40, hopefully I can look 30. I don't know. A little bit of makeup this morning because I feel so pale. I need a little bit of color on my cheeks. So on my lips. This is my breakfast this morning. This is avocado toast with spinach, egg, and tomatoes. Of course, my camera died. I always forget to charge my camera. It's starting to get nice outside again, where I can now eat breakfast comfortably outside. It feels so good outside. My dead camera. Okay, I turn it on. Right now. I charged my camera for a little bit. This is so random, but me and Jordan are gonna go to an open house right now. I'm just gonna wear my PJs. I'm just gonna put these pants on. The house is only 10 minutes away from where I live, and it's just fun to go to open houses. This is the outfit. I have my little white baggie. This is actually a cute outfit. Wow. Out the chocolate and vanilla milkshake and Neapolitan milkshake, because this is the best milkshake ever in the whole entire world. heading out to Ballet right now. Oh my gosh. I woke up a little bit later than I expected to. I'm still on time, but I really wanted to record like me getting up this morning. It's so hot. Okay, let's go home now. I'm thinking about stopping to get coffee. I wish I got a friggin' large. This is bomb. Oh my god. This is the butterscotch coffee.